Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up cron jobs for scheduled tasks on VPS. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up cron jobs on your VPS for scheduled tasks, first, log into your VPS via SSH. Use a terminal application like PuTTY or your built-in terminal on macOS or Linux. Enter your VPS IP address and login credentials to connect. Once logged in, you'll want to open the cron table for editing. Type the command crontab E and press enter. This opens the current user's crontab file in the default text editor. If it's your first time, you may be prompted to select a text editor. Choose one that you're comfortable with, like Nano or Vim. In the crontab file, you'll see instructions at the top. Below that, you can start adding your cron jobs. The format for each line is ******* command to be executed. Each asterisk represents a time field, in the following order: minute, hour, day of month, and day of week. For example, to run a command every day at 2 a.m., you would write 02 ***** your command. To run a script every hour, you can write 0 ***** /path/ to /your /script.sh. Make sure your script has execute permissions. You can set this by running chmod +x /path/ to /your /script.sh. Once you've added all your desired cron jobs, save and exit the editor. If you're using Nano, press Ctrl+O to save, then Ctrl+X to exit. To list all your scheduled cron jobs, type crontab L and hit enter. To remove a cron job, type crontab E again, delete the specific line, and save. Remember that cron runs in a clean environment. You'll need to specify full paths for commands and scripts. Always test your scripts manually to ensure they work as expected before scheduling them with cron. Finally, check your mail for cron job output by adding the mailto variable if you want to receive notifications. You have now set up cron jobs on your VPS for scheduled tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.